get the question of how do I keep my locks to look so moisturized and how do I keep them looking healthy and voluminous. And honestly, this is my routine. Like that. So I just got out of the shower. My hair is still wet and it's still dripping a little bit. If you can tell, my retie is about, what's that? Give me a sec. 4 days old. So it's still pretty fresh. Fresco. Show y'all the back. Let me show you the back. So today I'm going to be using handy dandy grapeseed oil, main nutrients growth oil on my scalp. So I'm going to be using the grapeseed oil on my actual locks here, and I'm going to be using this on my scalp, which I mean you could use the grapeseed oil on your scalp, but lately I've been using this on my scalp because it's specifically for your scalp. So I'm going to section off my hair like so. I'm going to section it off, and then I'm going to pour some grapeseed oil on my hand, a generous amount. Get it all, you know, moisturized and distribute it all around my hair, my hands, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to go in and rub it through. A little bit more for the back, a little bit more for the back, a little bit more for the back, a little bit more for the back. You see, squishing it in, squishing it in, squishing it in, because you don't want to just let it sit on your hair. You want to kind of like get that moisture inside, okay? Get the moisture inside, and then you want to make sure you're lifting up and getting, you know, the sections that aren't on the surface. So a little bit more, and do this. A little bit more here. A little bit more, and then just do this. And y'all see, I'm making sure I get my ends too. So the ends need love too. Do not forget about your ends. Do not forget about your ends, okay? They need love as well. See that? And it still has body. So we're gonna move on to these main nutrients, mango growth oil. And y'all, when I tell you this oil smells so good, it smells so good. Like, it literally smells so good. I'm not even joking, not joking with you. Some, put it down here and put it right here. Skip a few rows, put it right there. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna massage it in, because are you really oiling your scalp if you're not massaging it in? Are you? I don't think so. So you gotta give it a good massage. Give it a good massage. Now, I have been experiencing growth with my locks, and the only thing about that is your retie don't last as long, especially if you're using a growth oil. My hair be growed out in a week or two. But you know, you just gotta get what you can get. But now this oil smells amazing. Let me get a little close up. Smells amazing. I'll make sure to get my perimeter before I move on to the back.
We're gonna do the same thing for the back. The exact same thing.
The massage is the most important part because you want to make sure you're getting that blood flowing. You're getting that circulation moving, okay? Because, yes, you can have a good product, but you have to activate the product as well. We're all done with this side, and we're going to move to this side. Starting with the grapeseed oil. I cannot believe that I'm almost 1 year locked. Like, it's May. I'll be 1 year June next month. That is so crazy, but it's been so fun watching my hair like grow and transform, and to know that it still has so much more of the process to go. Like, you would think in a year, oh, you're gonna be fully locked. You're gonna be, no, because some of my locks still have a twist pattern. Some of them still have a twist pattern, and for the last time I retied my locks, I had to re-establish one. Yeah, 10 months in and I'm having to re-establish locks. So that's just a part of the process, and they all kind of mature at their own rate. Some of my ends are budding, and some of them are still super curly and not budding whatsoever. So now that I'm done with the moisture and the sealage of that moisture, I'm just going to show you a little 360 of my locks. They are still damp.